India is witnessing a rapid surge in COVID cases, but the data shows lower number of deaths and hospitalizations. The highly contagious new Omicron variant has been causing milder symptoms in the patients, a big relief for the healthcare infrastructure so far. Take a look.
A new coronavirus variant is on the loose. COVID cases are rapidly surging across India. Omicron is said to be highly contagious, but doctors say the new variant causes milder symptoms in patients.
The cases are not that severe. So we are getting cases which come with, mild symptoms like cough, cold, fever, sore throat, and they can be managed, symptomatically. And we haven't had any severe cases as yet.
The virus, when it is too contagious, it mutates. And due to these mutations, eventually it loses its edge. Because of these mutations, it is losing its penetrating power, as we can see with the Omicron variant.
While cases are surging in Mumbai, what has come as relief for the authorities is the low level of hospitalizations. While active cases jumped from 2,419 from December 22nd to 29,819 on January 2nd, deaths remain around one a day. In Delhi too, there has been a considerable fall in number of deaths and hospitalizations during the ongoing rapid rise in COVID cases.
Experts have cited two main reasons for why there are less hospitalizations at the moment, even as we are looking at a rising graph of COVID and Omicron cases in India. Number one, at the time when vaccinations began during the second wave and the Delta variant was infecting people were not vaccinated, but now they are. To a large extent, almost everyone has received 2 doses of the COVID vaccine. The second very important reason happens to be that Omicron is not impacting the lungs directly. That means that there's no need of oxygenation when a person is getting admitted. Most of the admissions are of comorbid people, since the Omicron is only impacting the upper respiratory tract. If it impacts the lungs directly, people need severe hospitalizations, and that seems not to be happening at the moment.
With Milan Sharma in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.